Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to draw this object right here using the Freehand tool, and I'll show you a couple little tips and tricks on how to do it a little easier. So click on the item, hit P for page center, right click, lock it. Okay, zoom in on it, grab your Freehand tool or hit F5, and then you're going to click and outline. Double click when you want to extend the line, and single click when you're finished. And there's the first shape. And then you're just going to draw all the shapes. I'm going to select everything. Right click, combine, or Control L. Double click and notice it selects all the nodes, or at least most of them. Go up here and select all nodes, and then right click and say to curve. Okay, so that makes everything to curve, so you can just start moving all your lines, or shaping them, I should say. Now what you're going to do is we're going to select everything. You don't want to select any of the tips on the inside here. And then you're going to select all these nodes down through here. We're going to get these other missing ones afterwards. Right click and say smooth. Click on smooth. Okay. Then hit the, and then do the rest of them. Whatever you didn't do, the first one. Even if you go to, you can reselect them all if you have to. And then right click, smooth. And just go through and make your final adjustments, adjusting everything to where you want it. Okay, now you're going to have to break these apart to copy them over to the other side. So right click or Control K, and then select all of this up to here. Not this center one, because that one's not duplicated. Drag over, right click to duplicate, to paste, and then mirror horizontally right at the top of the screen. Holding the shift button or control, slide it back over and set them right where they should be, right about there. And that's everything. So select them all, then you want to right click, combine, and then we're going to drag this out over here to show it, just to see what it looks like for a second. Everything looks pretty good. Okay, undo, Control Z, so you can go backwards. Now we need to make the outer. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the contour tool, contour apart. We want to make them all, put them all together. So you got to select it all, right click, break contour apart. So now everything's individual pieces, and the inside. So you can break the curve apart too, but you don't actually need to. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select the outer one and select the inner, or select everything, best way to do it. Right click, combine. And that should be it. You can even fill it, see what it looks like. Now, there might be some inconsistency right to left. And how you know is, let's say you want to make it a symmetrical object. Go to the top of the screen here where mirror horizontally and click it. Click it repeatedly, and you'll see, like in the center down in here, watch how it wobbles back and forth. So if you want it absolutely perfect, what you're going to do, let's remove the fill. you're going to just take the freehand tool, draw a straight line right down the center holding the shift button. Select both objects, or select everything, and then hit C for center. And it centers this line right down the middle. Now, click it, go up to Window, Dockers, Shape, and you're going to go find the trim right there. So you're going to click on Trim and then click on the object. And notice it just sliced it down the middle. You have to break it apart, Control K. Now you have two separate sides. So we're going to pick a side. Which one looks better? I don't know, so let's just go ahead and pick either one. Doesn't matter. Let's delete this side. Okay. Now, what I would do before you duplicate this, select it all. Right click, not group. Right click, combine, and then you're going to just drag it, holding the control button, drag across, and then hit right click. Okay. Now that you have those two shapes, select them, or you can select one of them, hit weld, and then click the other one. And now it should have welded it right together, right in the middle. Now if you take this object and hit mirror horizontally, no matter how many times you click it, it's perfect, no wobbles. So for some reason you're using an object that you're going to engrave on both sides, you can use that. So you can just engrave one side, flip it over, and then engrave the other side without having to make a separate template to engrave on it. So anyway, that's it for now. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them down below. Anything else you want me to cover, and I'll see what I can do. Later, guys. Bye.